I'm gonna do a poached egg in marinara sauce.
I do that with ratatouille too. It's delicious, isn't it?
Is that crazy?
I think this is a great tip, but tell them how you have the eggs in a ramekin.
I put them I crack them into a ramekin because if you crack it in, then you're gonna break the yolk. So doing it into the ramekin, then you can just kind of like pour it in. And what I'm doing is making almost like a little pocket with the marinara sauce here so that it kind of falls right into the pocket.
It's a gentle transfer, right?
It's
and then
nice,
also, if you have a little bit of shell in there, it's easier to fish it out of there than screaming out marinara.
That's it, because they got to pay extra for the shells. They ain't for free, okay? That's what I tell people at the bakery. So after you let that cook down for a while, okay, I take a nice little piece of crusty Italian bread here, and I'm going to take my...
Oh, look at that. Oh, my God.
Throw it a little bit of marinara on there.
Ridiculous.
Yes.
I'm going to bring that to you guys over here. Because I take care of my ladies, you know that.
Ridiculous.
You know?
And so easy. What a great brunch idea, too.
You cannot go wrong. And I tell people all the time, it's always good to try to cook from what you got in your pantry. Like, go in there every once in a while, like once a month, go into the pantry and just make a meal from what you got. Number one, I think it amps up your cooking skills because
really
you're like,
does.
you know,
You're
what can I make
creative,
with something?
right?
You become more creative. You come up with new dishes. And you get rid of all the junk.
That's right. And you're getting your money's worth.
You get your money's worth.
You're using all of your own food you already paid for.